So I have the singular pleasure to invite to this podium the Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Republic of Liberia, Councillor N. Oswald Tweh, who will now address you members of the press. Mr. Minister.
Just listening to Information Minister John McPeer on this is Councillor N. Oswald Tweh, Justice Minister.
Fellow Liberians, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, the government of Liberia, through the Ministry of Justice, wants to inform the public that former Vice President Oswald Tweh has been formally charged in connection with the ongoing investigation into an alleged transnational narcotics network on the Republic of Liberia. But Howard Taylor was stopped from departing Liberia at Robert International Airport and subsequently taken to the headquarters of the Liberia National Police. Following investigative procedures and review of the evidence presented by the Joint National Security Investigative Team, she has been charged with the following offenses. Under the Controlled Drug and Substance Act of 2023, violation of Section 14.83, unlicensed importation of a controlled drug or substance. Violation of Section 14.85, unlicensed sale, trading, administration, dispensation, delivery, distribution, dispatch in transit, and transportation of a controlled drug or substance. And violation of Section 14.93, illicit trafficking of a controlled drug or substance. Under Chapter 10 of the Penal Law of Liberia, violation of Section 10.2, criminal solicitation. Violation of Section 10.3, criminal facilitation. A violation of Section 10.4, criminal conspiracy. Under the Anti-Money Laundering and Terrorist Financing Law, violation of Section 15.2, money laundering. The government further announces that the following alleged members and organizers of the same transnational narcotics network have been similarly charged in absentia. 1. Nikolai Ivancic, a Croatian national. 2. Mihovil, a Croatian national. And 3. Tara Zeriko, a Ukrainian national. We have the pictures here for your information. We'll be circulating them to the press. The Ministry of Justice will pursue all lawful domestic and international measures necessary to locate, apprehend, and bring these to. Meanwhile, former Deputy Director of the National Security Agency for Administration, Mr. Gerald Smith, has been called in for questioning in connection with the same investigation. These are the decisive stage in the government's determination to expose and dismantle these groups, to identify and pursue its leadership, financiers, facilitators, transporters, operational coordinators, institutional protectors, and every person who loyally assisted its activities. No office is too high. No political connection is too powerful. No nationality provides immunity, and no individual is beyond the reach of the law. Transnational narcotics trafficking is not an ordinary criminal enterprise. It is a direct attack upon our national security, public institutions, economy, and the future of Liberia's young people. Any organization that attempts to corrupt public officials, penetrate state institutions, or transform Liberia into a transit corridor for illicit narcotics will face the full and lawful authority of the Republic. Our objective is not merely to seize narcotics or arrest low-level operatives. Our objective is to dismantle the entire criminal infrastructure, its leadership, financing, logistics, protection arrangements, and international connections. We will follow the evidence across institutions, political boundaries, and national borders. There will be no selective justice, political protection, sacred cause, or compromise with organized criminality. Every person against whom credible and visible evidence is established will be investigated and persecuted with all fear of political consideration. The government nevertheless emphasizes that criminal charges are accusations and do not constitute judgment of guilt. All defendants remain presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty before a court of competent jurisdiction. They are entitled to legal representation, due process, and all constitutional and statutory protections guaranteed under Liberian law. This remains an active and sensitive investigation involving multiple individuals and jurisdictions. The government will therefore not disclose information that could compromise ongoing operations, endanger cooperating persons, or prejudice judicial proceedings. We urge the public, political actors, and media institutions to avoid speculation, intimidation of witnesses, and the publication of unverified information capable of interfering with the investigation or undermining the administration of justice. Let there be understanding that God will not be surrounded by drug traffickers or to do over them. We will uproot this network, sever its financial institutional support, pursue its members wherever they may be found, and bring every culpable actor before the law. Further information will be released when legally and operationally appropriate. I thank you.